Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at FXGM ZA. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. FXGM ZA is a local brand that is operated by FXGM South Africa Pty Limited, which is a licensed company that is regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority. This broker has registered offices in South Africa and is a licensed and authorized financial services provider. FXGM offers a powerful proprietary platform, dozens of tradable instruments, competitive spreads, and flexible accounts. FXGM offers dozens of Forex pairs, stocks, indices, commodities, and synthetic derivatives. You can also trade a variety of CFD instruments, and there are more than 30 tradable currency pairs. The spreads on currency pairs typically start from as low as 0.6 pips, and live spreads can be tracked directly from the homepage. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 200 when trading with FXGM. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will not only be exposing yourself to better market opportunities, but also far greater financial risks, so be sure to use margin responsibly and only within the limits of your budget. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with FXGM, hover your cursor over the Products tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu, or head over to the Product Sheet and Costs page. If you require any assistance, you can reach the FXGM customer support team directly from the platform or mobile application. You can also email them, call them, or request a callback by submitting a web ticket from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. If you need any assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. If you own a website or have a large following of traders or investors on social media, you can increase your account balance and earn commission through the FXGM affiliate program. All you need to do is get them to join using your unique referral link, and if they meet the minimum requirements, you will receive a cash bonus. To become an affiliate, click on Affiliate Program at the bottom of the homepage and complete the online application form. If you are a new FXGM client, you start with a full protection on your first 5 trades. If you lose in these first 5 trades, FXGM will give you your money back, and if you win, you keep the profits. As a client, you can use FXGM's proprietary trading platform. No installation is required to use the web trader. However, this platform is beginner-friendly and can also be downloaded as a mobile application. Their beginner-friendly platform features a customizable interface, and it comes with built-in news feeds, a variety of advanced charting tools, and direct platform support. If you would like some assistance learning how to use this platform, you can book a free one-on-one training session with one of FXGM's experts. Their mobile application is fully synchronized with the web trader, and you can easily trade and access the economic calendar and updated news directly from your phone. Their application can be downloaded for free from Google Play and the Apple App Store. Most of the trading accounts offered seem to be designed for more experienced traders because of the high minimum deposit requirements. If you are comfortable with making a deposit of $200 or more, you can use any of these accounts. The account you choose will depend on your trading style and strategy. FXGM's platform may give you some advantages over other mainstream platforms, so it might be worth checking it out to see if you prefer it. There are 5 types of accounts that you can open with FXGM, and this broker also offers VIP perks. The live trading accounts you can open with FXGM include a junior account, a premium account, a VIP account, an executive account, and a royal account. All accounts come with a free ebook, free training and dedicated customer support. You will also have access to a personal customer service agent, Autochartist, and exclusive trading insights. The junior account requires the lowest minimum deposit and is an entry-level account, with all the core features you need to get started. If you are ready to make a larger deposit for better spreads, you can upgrade to a premium account. However, a minimum deposit of at least $10,000 is required to open this type of account, and this account is suitable for more experienced traders. For deposits of $30,000 or more, FXGM offers 3 high-level accounts with VIP perks. These accounts have the lowest spreads for major Forex pairs, Commodities and Indices. Unfortunately, FXGM does not seem to offer a demo account at this time. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions FXGM offers, click on the Products tab and head over to the Account Types page. Creating an account with FXGM will only take a few minutes, and creating an account is free. You can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the FXGM homepage and then click on the Create an Account button, or sign up through the Login page. What you'll want to do next is complete the online application form. Then verify your account and email address. Next, you can log in to the client portal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. You can make a secure deposit using bank cards, Ozal, Paygate, EFT Pay, and bank transfers. Deposit and withdrawal fees will depend on the payment method you choose, the country you live in, and the value of your transaction. You can make a withdrawal using any of the supported deposit methods. As an FXGM client, you will have access to Autochartist, an economic calendar, updated market news, currency charts, and dedicated 24-hour customer support. We recommend bookmarking some of these pages and checking them often to see what's driving the markets. Their economic calendar is provided by investing.com, and you can use this economic calendar to gain fundamental insights into global employment data, retail markets and consumer price indexes, economic activities, GDP levels, changes in monetary policies, and updates on major events in over 70 central banks around the world. One of the perks of being an FXGM client is having access to Autochartist, which is a powerful market analysis tool. This tool provides chart patterns, 6 different Fibonacci patterns, global market analysis, and in-depth volatility analysis. You can also use Autochartist to monitor your performance, and this is one of the best tools for identifying opportunities and managing risks. Overall, FXGM offers flexible accounts and competitive trading conditions for professional traders. FXGM is regulated and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is always done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of FXGM ZA. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.